Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 35. To start off, let's go to File, New, take the part template, and now we have the empty workspace open, and let's start doing the sketch. So as you can see on the left side, this is a drawing, and this is a very easy drawing compared to the drawings that we've done before. Maybe exercise 34, 33 were much complicated than this. So let's just go to sketch, click on the sketch tool and start doing the sketch. So in this case, I would prefer to start the sketch maybe from the right plane. Alright, so I'll select the right plane and I would simply create I'll go for extend entities and just extend this. So I'm creating this profile here. So let's start doing the dimension for this. So that'll be 85 and this would be 25. This would be 37 and this would be 25. What else? So if you're unable to find where we need the dimension, press the escape key and try to move the sketch and see where the sketch is moving. As you can see, this is a problem. So select this line here, click on this line and go for the vertical, and now if you see, the sketch is fully constrained. Now what you can do is exit the sketch here, exit sketch, and go for features, extrude boss and base, and we can see that the total length of this would be 60, so I would go for 30 each on both sides, so that'll be 30, and in this direction another 30. Double enter. More than one open contour, so there's a problem with the sketch. So as you can see here, there is one open contour, as I said. So I would just click on the sketch here and go for edit sketch. Just zoom here a little bit and maybe select this. Okay, point cannot be deleted, so just delete this line here and go for extend entities and just extend this line here, and still you can see that something is wrong, so Control 8 to get the normal view. Control 8 is not working as of now, so we'll have to manually select that. Oops, Control 8, yeah. So select this line here and go for horizontal. Now it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch. Now you can go for feature, extrude boss and base. Select the sketch. Now you can go for 30 each on both sides. Now we have that, the solid object there. Now we have to create this slot, right? So before creating that, we'll create the slot here. So again, we'll go for sketch, and select the right plane again, and this time we can create a through line. Alright, now we can go for a smart dimension and dimension this line. That'll be 25. So it's a fully constrained sketch. Exit the sketch now and go for extruded cut. And you can give here you can see 21 is 42, 60 would be 18, so 9 on both sides would be 9, and 9 on this side. Double enter. I'm done with this. I really don't understand why we have this problem. Now exit the sketch and again go for extruded cut. Select that sketch and go for 9 each on both sides. Now if you just rotate the sketch, you can see that that slot has been created. Now we have to create one more slot. So as you can see, this is 25 and this is 25, so 50. So here we have a slot, right? So again go for sketch, and then go for the right plane again, and now you can simply create a rectangle. Let's create a rectangle here and drag the rectangle up to this point. Alright, now exit the sketch and now you can go for features, extruded cut. You can give 5 on both sides, 5 and 5, double enter. You can see that that slot has been created. Now what we're going to do is select this face here. I'll go for the sketch, and this time I'll create a rectangle. Alright, I'll create a rectangle and I'll dimension this height, that is 17, right? 17, and this will be 25, right? 25. Exit the sketch. This time go for extruded cut and you can give 15, double enter. We have that slot being created there. Now let's select this face here and go for the sketch, and let's create another rectangle and let's give 25 and this height as again 17. Exit the sketch and then go for extruded cut, and the depth of cut will be 15, double enter. And if we just control middle mouse button, and if you just drag and keep it, you'll be able to see that the model is being created completely. And what really helped me to do this task was that I saw the model and I made an idea that I can start this sketch, or I can start the sketch on the right plane. So the reason being that I analyzed the sketch from the right side, and I found that it will be pretty easy for me to complete the model in that way, because as we can see, if I just make this sketch and if I extrude, the model is being almost completely created, except that we have to create a couple of slots. So try to analyze a sketch in that way, or try to analyze a model in that way, so you can do the sketch in minimum number of steps. And that's what all the companies or anybody needs to do a task with as much less steps as possible. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any doubts or comments, you can comment below the video, or you can write to me at katia.pro.user@gmail.com for any special requests or any special communications or something like that. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much and stay tuned.